keep them in our thoughts and our prayers and our meditations as we go. But the most troubling argument made by the United States this week is that they can classify the experiences and observations of people who they have involuntarily forced to undergo interrogation techniques.
To affirm that. So that's no longer an issue.
Fairness is not an outcome. Fairness is a process, as we keep saying. What I mean by that is one of the things that I've tried to stress this week is how all these factors fit together. How presumptive classification, the remote location of the island, the classification which is imposed on experiences, the lack of guidance as to what we're allowed to say and not say, how all those things combine to interfere with the defense function.
It's a very long day. It takes a long time for them to get to court.
Found out, I'm sure, from watching in terms of the pace of motions. Not all motions. Okay, I'm sure you didn't agree with everything you saw. You saw rigor. Criminal trials rigorously conducted to the highest standard of proof we know in our law. Although I know you're not satisfied fully, many of you, with the transparency, are transparent. Much more transparent than a lot of other systems, including civil habeas proceedings for determining whether someone's detained here.
To Guantanamo with us. 4 of the 5 families who are in attendance this time traveled with us in August, but of course, you know, we had the hurricane.
Success rate against Al-Qaeda defendants. They're scary. I don't know how it could ever enter anyone's mind to have any sympathy for these people. These are bad people.
2.5, and his son was born in December of 2001.
In fact, seemed to, the judge said the government was changing the rules as they went in order.
I'm a reasonable person. But what happened to justice delayed is justice denied? We're on 11 years now. Where's the justice for this? My boy. He hasn't gotten any justice yet. My wife cries all the time. She hasn't gotten any justice yet.
Years, unfortunately, devote a good portion of my life to learning the enemy that this country faces. I'm convinced that a military commission is the best place. This is the best place for these people to be. Article 3 courts